So look, chat, y'all remember Slave? This was the cat that didn't like nigga, right? Watch though. Watch this though. Watch this though, chat. Watch this. Chat, this was the cat that didn't like nigga. It was the black one, right? Watch this shit though. Watch, look at what I produced. I'm an animal whisperer. Watch this shit. See? 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 I told you. Good boy, good boy, good boy, nigga. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. I told you. I told y'all, chat. See? See? I did it. I did it. I told y'all. I told y'all. I told y'all. They don't fight anymore. They don't fight anymore. They don't fight anymore. See? See? I told you. See? Told you. I told you. I told you. I fucking told you. Where's Master? I told y'all, boys. I told y'all. They don't fight anymore. I told y'all, bro. Get Master. All right, bad chat. Look. See? Hey, Master. See, chat? They don't fight anymore. They don't fight. The cats are cool, y'all. Everybody's cool now, okay? So spin up the W's in the chat. They don't fight anymore. They're all cool. What is he doing? What the f***? What are you f***? What the hell? What the? What? Oh. You gay? No way my dog is gay, bro. No way my dog is gay. What is he doing? Is he gay? What the f is he doing? What the f? What is he doing? Stop flipping his ass. What is he doing? What is he doing? Why is he like sniffing at that? Why is he all up in that ass like that? Why is he all up in that ass like that? Chat, do I stop him or no? Chat, do I stop him? He's like all up in that ass. What the hell? What did I do? He's like all up in that ass, chat. Chat, do I stop him or no? Fuck. Damn, can I sniff it too? Fuck does it smell like? Bro, what is he smelling? That smells so damn. God, Jesus, nigga. Is his ass that? What is he smelling? What is it? Your breath smell like shit. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Bro sniffing the mic too, bro. Like, watch out. Alright, guys. I think this is enough of the dogs and cats now. Alright, child. Alright, y'all. I think I'm about to... Okay. Now that's enough of that. That's enough of that. I think I'm gonna take them out my room, y'all, because I don't want them to hear me yelling and stuff. I don't want them to hear me like yell and stuff. Master. You okay? All right, chat. All right, y'all. Okay, all right, okay. Enough of that. Enough of that. Enough of that. Bro, stop saying 911, bro. Like, you guys are being so weird. The fuck are y'all saying 911 for? What the hell is wrong with y'all? Why are y'all saying 911 for my dog? Bro, what are they doing? I feel like they're like best friends, bro. Check, y'all see? Oh, shit. Chat, these two are like best friends. Like, they're like always together and stuff. Chat, can dogs and cats be best friends? Oh, what's wrong? Hey, good boy. Good boy. What? Hey, don't start that shit. Don't start that shit. Don't start that shit. Don't start that shit. Do not start. Why are you biting his tail? Stop. No. Don't bite his tail. Stop. Don't bite his tail. Stop. What does he bite his tail for? Fuck is wrong with nigga? Good boy. You're so cute. So cute. Good boy, master. Good boy, master. Good boy. What is he doing? Chat, what is he doing? Chat, what is my dog doing? Good boy. What is he? The fuck are you doing? Oh, this is so cute. What is nigga doing? He's like all like trying to. What are y'all doing? What the fuck? Oh, this is so cute. Look. Dad, this is so cute. Look. Oh my God, this is so cute. Stop biting him. You just bit him. Don't bite him. Stop. Stop. Then I say stop biting him. Stop biting him. What the fuck is wrong with him? He's biting him. He's like biting him and shit. Huh? He's jealous. What is he jealous of? Stop biting him! Hey, I'm about to whoop his ass if you keep biting him, bro. Ooh, hey, nigga, he gonna whoop your ass if you bite him. Here we go. Here we go with this shit now. He gonna whoop your ass if you bite him, nigga. Don't start. Chat, he just gonna have to learn the hard way, bro. I'm gonna be honest. You gotta just learn the hard way. I don't know what else I could do for them not do this. He just literally gonna have to learn the hard way. All right, chat. I'm about to take them out the room, y'all. All right, chat. Are y'all ready to stop seeing them now? Oh, they're like bonding. They're like bonding.
Dakini said someone call PETA.
Oh, they're like bonding. Look. Oh, look. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, two. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look. This is so cute, Chad. Look. What the fuck? What the hell is he doing? What the fuck? Where the fuck is Master going? Ugh, why is he sniffing his ass? Ugh, why are you eating his ass? You eating him out? What are y'all doing? Jesus fucking God, you're like, ooh! Stop that shit! Stop eating. Stop eating his ass. Stop eating his ass. Stop. Oh. Yeah, bro. Tell him stop eating your ass. He's like eating his ass. Hey. Hey. Uh-oh. What's about to unfold? Uh-oh. Ooh. Left hook bites Master. He comes under. Stop biting him. All right, chat. I think I'm about to stop this. Because niggas getting too, like, roughy. He's playing too rough. Stop biting, bro. You always want to bite people, man. God. All right, chat. That's enough. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Let me take these boys back into their room. Come on. It's time to go. Come on, Master. You want to stay in here? Yo, chat, should I have my cat stay in here? Yes or no? Should I have him stay in here, chat? Yes or no? Yes or no? Alright, I might take nigga out though. Ooh, shit. Come here, because you doing too much. Come here. You stay right there. Come here, baby. That's okay. You're scaring the cat, bro. Move. Why you acting so weird? Move. The fuck is wrong with you? I can hold the cat. Damn. Hey, get back, nigga. Nigga, get back. Stop. Stop, boy. Stop. Move. Relax. He's going to punch you if you stop. Stop. See, you don't listen. If I tell you to stop. You don't listen. Jesus. Watch out. Just move. Nigga, calm down. See, this is what I'm talking about. We have to calm down. Nope. Chat, I gotta train him, bro. Nope. You gotta learn how to stop. Calm yourself. Learn how to stop. Nope. You gotta learn how to stop. You have to learn how to stop. That's your problem. Wait, what is under there? What the hell? It's a cat under there. You gotta learn how to stop themselves, bro. I'm trying to train them, chat. Pay attention to the bro's addicted. Bring a trainer for him. Like, yeah, chat, he don't listen. Like, look, he don't listen. You don't listen. Didn't I just tell you to stop? Watch out, bro. I just told you to stop. You don't listen, bro. You don't listen. Stop eating. Stop sucking his meat. Stop. Stop. Calm down. Relax. Stop. Stop, boy. Hold up, chat. Stop. Stop, nigga. You don't listen. Stop. Stop, nigga. Stop. 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 Relax. Gotta train them, bro. Then I just tell you to stop. 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 Damn, you don't listen. Stop. No. Stop biting his tail. No. Stop biting. No. 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 No.
Soliman said your dog nigga is so cute nigga.
Stop. He don't listen, bro. Like he dead ass don't listen. Like look. I can tell him, stop. Just stop. He keep biting shit. Like chat, why don't he listen to me? Why don't he listen to me? He doesn't listen. Why you keep stop fucking with him. Let him be. Let him be. Stop, nigga. Nope. Nope. Watch out. Nope. Nope. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Nope. You gotta learn how to restrain yourself. Restrain yourself. Restrain yourself. Calm. You gotta have self-control. You have no self-control, nigga. You have no self-control. You about to be 6 months. You about to be 6 months. Watch out. You about to be 6 months years old. You have no self-control. No self-control. Stop. Ooh. Stop. See? There you go. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. Nope. Don't fuck with him. Because he would. Nope. Just sniff. You can sniff. Good boy. You can. See? But don't. Just sniff. You can. Yeah, you can sniff. You can sniff. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. W nigga in the chat. There you go.
Soliman said he just licked the cat's ass and licked your face straight after.
There you go. There we go, chat. See now, yo, chat. Everybody sell W dogs. See, I'm training them, y'all. That's how you train them. You see how we stop biting them and shit? W nigga now, bro. W nigga. He's starting to get it. Come here. I'm trying to get the other cat over here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Nope, nope. Watch out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I got you, baby. I got you. Come here. Nigga, nope. Nope. Nigga, no. Relax. Good job. Good boy. There we go. See? Yup, sniff. You can sniff. You can sniff. Don't bite. You can sniff. You can sniff and lick, but don't bite. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sniff. You can sniff. Good boy. See? Good boy. Hey, see, hey. Don't bite. I keep telling you to don't bite. Don't bite. Stop, boy. The fuck? He don't like you. He don't like you. Alright, chat. Now nigga is good now. I'm pretty sure this cat's good now. Come here. You know what? You just get up here for me. Get up right there for me. You stay right there. Come here, baby. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, baby. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here. All right, chat. I think we good now, y'all. God damn it. Of course you. Watch out. All right, chat. I think they're good now, y'all. I don't think I have to keep. He's still biting. Why are you? As soon as I leave, you want to start biting. As soon as I just said stop biting. I keep telling you the same shit. Stop biting. Stop biting. Damn, he don't listen. Why don't he listen? Don't bark, bro. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. He don't listen. Stop biting. Stop biting. What the fuck? I thought we was good. Stop. Like I literally just told him. Now look, I'm gonna leave again. Watch this. If he does it again, he getting out. Good boy. Now if he do it again, he's out. He's out. Period. What? Okay, well, let's see. Let's see. Don't do it. Don't bite. Don't bite. Just sniff. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. All right, he got it. Okay, good. Okay. All right, chat. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Enough of this. Enough of this. Enough of this. What? What? All right, bad. All right, chat. Now let's put these boys back into their crate now. Let's put these boys back into their crate now. Okay. Enough of this. Did he just piss? Did he just piss? Did you just piss? Get out. You out. Get out. Get out. You out.